start the first project, or similar to the first project on the Smart Art project. So first step's being prep your workstation, protect from paint splatter, mixed media, artwork can be messy business. Let's start with the background. You use the art crayons to colour the entire board, then blend using your fingers before applying with wide wash brush. So I have prepped the background with orange. Oh geez, even that makes my face glow. So we will get this stuff out. Now the project, they're doing it in the oranges and the yellows. So I'm just gonna, I think, I'm gonna open the Swedish fish so I don't talk while I'm doing this bit. He has scales. Here we go. They've used the red on the yellow and I've ended up with oranges. I'm going to go with blue and the reds and see if I can come up with some purples maybe. Who knows? Alright. Playing with crayons. I haven't played with crayons for such a long time. Okay. What? Oh, a kid playing with crayons, definitely. So we're coating the entire board. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Tissue paper. I've seen the crayon stuff done with tissue paper, so I am not that keen to get my hands that sticky and dirty. Okay. No, the fingers are going to have to do it. Okay, fingers are actually doing a better coating. What did you do today, dear? I finger painted. Not wrong about being messy. Okay. Just gonna see if I can put some light bits in here, just lighten it up. Oh, there. That's not glue there. Everything's shaking. Let's put some lids on the crayons. So from there, and then blend using my fingers, and then before applying water with the wide brush wash, which I believe is this brush. I'm presuming this is going to give it a wash look. Now to wait for it to dry, although they do say you can get a hairdryer on it and dry. Step 2, add a swirl pattern. Allow the first layer to dry before continuing. Add a swirl pattern by drawing directly onto the canvas with the art crayons. Smooth the pattern by using your fingertips following the swirl pattern. Step 3. Let's bring out the stencils. Make your selection and separate it by tearing at the perforation. Position the stencil and protect all the areas that you do not wish to transfer by covering with scratch paper. Use the acrylic art spray and voila, a beautiful stencil pattern is added. So we're going to be using these to spray in these stencils. What I might do is, they start talking about the perforation, which is that there. As a non-artist, covering with scratch paper. Position stencil and protect all the areas that do not wish to transfer by covering with scratch paper. Use acrylic art spray and voila. So if I actually go back and go straight out and use the wish, if I put that down completely, I can spray that. I think that's what I will do. So I want to put, this is me trying to figure it out, 4 pieces of paper. Why 4? Because we're going to go. Is that what we're trying to do? Do I look confused? Okay. What gets me? Okay, so I'm going to use the black. I think I might need to be holding it upright. Thinking music. What I am going to do is I'm going to keep this. Ick. Okay, I'm digging into my other craft supply stuff. I'm actually putting tape to protect the edges with the sticky side up. Affect that. Okay, now instructions are very hard to read. Brightly coloured water-based acrylic spray for light, porous surfaces such as canvas, paper, wood. Okay. Waterproof, resistant. Okay, and I'm just going to have another quick look. Can't really, there's not really much that I can find out unless I YouTube it. Okay. I'm thinking because this is not an aerosol, I can work it straight down. What do we think? Let's lift this up. Ick. Okay, that was a fail. That is an epic fail. I'm going to try and see what I can do to salvage this, because I don't know if I can, but I'm going to try. What they turn around and have on here is to actually do the white, do a section of white and then put the words over top. So what I'm going to do is over the wish, I'm going to just go over the wish so then I can try and do that in a blue perhaps. See if I can get it to fit directly over it. Oops, there's still some paint on there. So what I'm going to try and do, where I had wish, I am actually going to try with the blue, the dark blue over top. But I just, okay. Okay, there we go. Bit hard to see. See what I can do with what I have. Okay, so that was step 4. Continue to complete the background. Make sure the paint dry as you work. Make sure you don't smudge the designs as you use stencils. Use a blow dry to speed up time. Use a white art crayon to create a frosted background for a foreground application of letting stencil design. Makes you not keen on the way that's come up. Step 5. Position the stencil over a prepared frosted area. Lift the stencil, use smaller round brushes to guide to the paint and sharpen the edges of the lettering. Okay. I actually don't think I need to. And then to finish the piece, you use gold abstract paint liner to create 3D elements. This paint liner is easy to use and creates thin lines while carrying beautiful colours. Let's see how we go. Ooh. There's a little squiggle. Ooh. Don't know if you saw that little squirt. Okay. Just going to do it on the... They don't come in handy when they're on the top of the head. I reckon this actually turned out kind of cool. What do you think? It just needs to dry. If I hold it up. See if I can get this up to there. It's a bit different. There we go. Okay, there we go, gems. Done. Project 1. All in the space of less than an hour to do that. I'm not happy with the butterflies. I think these stencils, I won't use that spray to use on these stencils again. That was too icky. And as you can see, really icky out there. So on that note, let me know what you think. Is this a mess or what? Anyway, gents, thank you for watching. Catch you later. Bye for now.